In this video, I'll show you how to get project URL in Supabase. So your Supabase project URL is used for APIs, authentication, or connecting apps and websites. So to get that, you'll need to open your Supabase dashboard. If you're not logged in, first make sure to go and log in into your account. Then you'd like to open the project dashboard. So click on any of your projects, the project that you want to get the URL for. As an example, this one. So on this left sidebar, you can find this project settings option. Click on that. Once you click on it, here you should find a lot of information about this project. But here you'll only find the project ID, not the URL. So how can we find the URL? So what you'll have to do is simply go again to this left sidebar and make sure to go to integrations and click on data API. Once you do that, you should find yourself on a new page, and here you'll find your API URL, and basically this is going to be the URL for this exact project. This will be, as an example, how the URL will look like. Basically something .supabase.co / something as an example. So you can just go and copy this, and congrats, you have your Supa URL projects. Keep in mind that you don't have to share, as example, your service role key and the public / add-on key safer for front-end apps, and every project has a different URL. So if you're trying to use another project at something else, make sure to get its URL as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.